In this next problem, I'm going to show you how to use it on MyMathLab. So the problem says graph the inequality, and this is the inequality. So our first step is to replace it with an equal sign. So instead of the inequality, I'm going to replace it with the equal sign. Your next step is your intercepts. So I'm going to make my chart, my table, put a 0 for x, 0 for y, and solve for each an x and y intercept. So I'm going to use the equal sign equation, and instead of x, I'm going to plug in a 0 and solve for y. So then I have 8y equals 32, divide by the 8, so then my y equals 4. So this is your y-intercept, 0, 4. And so now let's start over. So I'm going to do 4x plus 8, 0. So instead of y, I'm plugging in the 0. So then 4x equals 32. Divide by 4 on both sides. So then I have x equals 8. And that is in my x column. So that's the x-intercept. And so now my third step is at line or dash. I have a line underneath, so I am going to draw a line. So now let's try and put it on MyMathLab. So I have the problem pulled up. Click to enlarge graph. Okay. So now let's plot our points, our intercepts. So our first intercept was 0, 4. So I have 0, 4. And if you notice in the top yellow, you see on the right-hand side in the yellow, it says 0, 4. So that's how I know I'm in the right place. And then I'm going to do 8, 0. So that means that my x is positive 8, and that yellow matches 8, 0. And then right here, do you see where it says a line or a dash? So if our inequality did not have a line underneath and it was just a regular greater than or less than, then we would have chose the dash. But ours is with a line underneath, so I'm going to choose that. And so now that we have our line, let's figure out and let's use our test point. So test point is 0, 0. Is 0, 0 going to be shaded? Yes or no? So let's figure it out. Use your equation, but go back to the original equation. So 4 and replace x with a 0, and then 8, replace y with a 0, bring down our sign, and the 32. So is 0 greater than or equal to 32? The mouth is opening a 0. Is that the bigger number? No. So that means 0, 0 is not going to be shaded. So it needs to be the opposite side. So let's go back and look. Here's 0, 0. So I know this is not shaded, and it needs to be the top part. So to shade, you will click the paint can and then choose. Where do you want it shaded? Well, I know that 0, 0 is right here, and that is not shaded, so it needs to be up at the top. So then click Save. And then when you save it, you'll see that it saved our shading, and then you can click Check Answer.